Hello viewers, today we're going to be cold starting the General Electric 5050 BTU air conditioner. It is 15 degrees outside, so we're going to do a cold start for you. Without further ado, we're going to sit you guys up over here so you can watch the coil frost up, because like I said, it's wicked cold out there. So without further ado, here we go. We start up in 3, 2, 1. Head pressure building up. You can see as the unit starts to build up head pressure, you notice it's starting to frost. That's typical on cold nights like this where it's well below 32. It's usually not recommended you fire these things up when it's below 50 outside with a reciprocating compressor and 60 with the rotary. Sometimes it's kind of fun to fire these things up and do some cold starts. It's pretty cool. Get you a little close up here of the frost building up. It's starting to sound pretty cool now, so I'm just going to shut up so you guys can hear it. guys can see, we're starting to get some more frost buildup up here as the unit still builds head pressure. For weather conditions like these, it takes about approximately up to a good 25-30 minutes for it to build full head pressure. See what I'm talking about right here. If you look at the evaporator coil, you can tell that it's pretty frozen here. You see, as it continues to build head pressure, it's probably going to frost up because it is really cold outside. First cold start of 2024. I'm sure you guys can see this. Yep, there it is. Continuing to build up head pressure. It's the frost continuing to build up. Suction line going back cold. We're gonna keep recording until it shuts off, and we'll get you guys some cool close-up shots here. Look at that, right along the coil here. Look at that beautiful build up there. So the compressor has pretty much warmed up at this point. The motor is running hot enough where the oil is no longer very viscous. The oil is lubricating freely, which is keeping the compressor running. Alright, this sounds pretty cool. I'll let you guys hear this. I'm starting to frost up. We usually never get this far. Usually cuts off by now. Got some, looks like the frost is beginning to go away. So you can see it's starting to turn into drips. So we are about almost 13 minutes into the video, and you can see the frost is starting to go away. So on these colder conditions, it really takes a while for the frost to go away. So like I said, it's 15 degrees Fahrenheit, but you can see it's frost starting to go away. We're gonna let you guys enjoy that sound, because that's a mean sounding Samsung rotary. Yep, there it goes. Frost is going away, guys. That is a good sign right there. The ambient indoor temperature was about 75 degrees when I kicked this on. Just like that, it's taking the heat from in the room and it's throwing it outside. Air coming out is ice cold. All right, we're gonna do everybody's favorite now. That nice moist coil. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any feedback, please let me know. I greatly appreciate to hear from you guys. And let me know what you think of that compressor sound, because I thought it was pretty mean.